flatty on. I don't know if I don't know if I hooked him right. This is a good flatty. Shit, I'll need that lease. Where's my net? There he goes, having a little run. Oh, not a bad flatty. I don't know if I got him right. Come on, mate. Ah, there he goes. My netting skills are not the best. This ain't a big one, not as big as the one that I lost, I think. Yeah, he's only a little one. He's going to have a little fight with him. Am I going to do a better netting than the last time? Come on, mate. Only because he's little, let the big one go. Just kept the little one. That was a mission to get that hook out. Oh, he squashed down on that. Look at him. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There, mate. I can't believe that other one snapped me off. I just chucked that there again. Oh, I'm on. Wow. Okay. This ain't a very big one. He's coming in very easy. Look at him. There he comes. With that white lure in his mouth. He's even littler again. I think I'll swing him in. Take the lure out. You can be released, buddy. Yep, I'm on. Yep, I'm on. Just see him there. Oops. Oh, he spat it. He ain't coming back. Oh, he just took it there. There he goes. Tighten that drag a little bit. That's not a flatty. That's a tailor. Good tailor too. He is. He's going to go around the boat. Oh, go on, Mr. Taylor. He's going under the boat. There he is. Son. Spit me, buddy. He'll chew that plastic up like anything. First cast over there and I got a bloody tailor, and I come here and put first cast. I'm on again. Is there a school tailor in here? I'm right on the sentry zone. Well, the sentry zone's just that way to the right of me. Oh, there's a big turtle out there. Oh, I don't want to hook one of them. What is this? Another tailor, I think. He's tiny, this one. He's not got the going in that. This is what I'm going to get a school tailor here. I might have to move. This is not what I come for. You're going back. Oh, look at that. He just spat it. Just he went in the net. Little tailor. How do we... Now, one more cast. If I get another tailor, I'm moving. Well, I'm drifting along here anyway now. One cast here. And I'm on to a flatty. I'm hoping this is a flatty. Yep, I think it is. I think it's got a little bit of weight to it. Jeez, I must have donged him on the head. because I only just threw that out. I just stopped here. Gee. No! Oh, come on. Well, I snapped that one off. I just threw this other rod out. It's nowhere near the quality of fish that other one was. I've side hooked him. He's a little one I've side hooked. Oh no, I got him in the mouth. Gee, he's tiny, that one. Oh, where's your daddy at? The bigger one, boy. This one's not a bad one neither. Oh, what the? Look out, I'm on again. That's some nice head shakes there. Look at him doing cartwheels. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Come on, please let me get you in the net. Nice, very nice indeed. I reckon this is around a 50s model. What do you reckon, Nemo? Yep. Ah, got him. Got him right there. Is this a tailor? It's a bloody tailor. I can't get away from him. Bloody move spots and all. Look at him. He's only a little one, but I'd say he's just legal, maybe. Maybe. What do I do with my pliers? Come on, settle down. Settle down. There you go. Yeah. Nemo, you're so beautiful. Sitting in the captain's chair. Little wind in your face. Oh, just I turned the camera on. He's only a little one, a little flatty. Look, this may be a keeper. Got the head shakes going on. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Come on, we'll get that lure out. That out of your mouth, buddy. All right. All right, you are going to come home for dinner. Good eating size. Very good. Little Nemo. Look out, buddy. Yep. Oh, that's a good hit. Nice. Come on in here, Freddy. Let's check me drag. Oh, it's quite good. I really don't want to lose anymore. Yeah, he's not a bad one. He's not a bad one. Let's see if I can get the net. Get him around here. Get the net onto him. Another one, Nemo. Better. Whoops. There we go. We got another one. We're definitely having Flatty for dinner. Whoops. He's a bit slippery. Look at that one. That's another 50. Oh, I'm on already. Don't know if that's videoing or not. Or Mr. Flatty. There he goes for a run. Oh, 50. Look at them. They're beautiful. Little bubba. Oh, he swallowed that right down. Settle down, I'll get it out of you. There he goes. Here we go. Got another one on here. Another little one. Other feels. Nice. Just love it. Love it. Oops. Come on, little one. In you come. Nice netting. I gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. You're not a bad little one, are you? You're not keen on getting measured. None of you are. Slipping around all over the wet mat. Won't lay your tail out straight. Got the new chicken curl tail. Look at you, you're pretty. He's illegal. Your lucky day. I got enough for dinner and you're gonna go back. Well, you would be. Oop. It's okay, little man. Look at him, Nemo. Hey, look at him. And he goes. Oh. Now guys, and just washed the boat down. I thought I'd just give you a quick rundown on the rods that I was using. I took these 3 rods out. They're all 2 to 4 kilos. I had the grey one here. I take it out. I got a little blade on there just in case I see something chopping on the water. I got it on there ready. And the other 2 rods are they have the jig heads on them. There's the jigs, and these are the plastics here that I was using. So I've got none left in this packet here, but they're the pearl curl tails. Flatheads were smashing them today. And then the other one, I think they were 1/6 jig head that I got, and they were the other ones with the new chicken grubs. So that was it. I got plenty of them today, and I kept a couple for dinner. So I'm going to do a cook up a bit later. We'll see how we go. Okay guys, we're back in the kitchen again. We're going to do some battered cocktail flathead fillets. So what I've done is I've already got the flathead in here cut up. I've just put it in the bag with some flour, self-raising flour. In here I've got the beer batter and also the beer for the chef. And then I'm just going to put them into the deep fryer. And we're having fish and chips and salad tonight. So let's get into it. Yummo. God, I'm already cooking. Look how they've turned out. Look at these. Yummo. So more in there. I've got a few more in here. So what I've done with this mixture is that I've done self-raising flour, I've added some salt, and I've just chucked in some beer and made it into the batter. That's all I do, and this is how it's going to turn out. So, alright, let's wait for the end product. Done. This is little Nemo. He comes out and helps me catch the flathead. Here we are. Beer battered cocktail flathead fillets are on the menu tonight with chips and a Greek salad. One salad's got olives, the other one hasn't. Fresh lemons off the tree outside. But look at them. There's 2 flathead there. Self-raising flour, salt, with beer, and then batter them. So I just put them into a little bit of self-raising flour first, the fillets. Then I put them into the batter and straight into the hot deep fryer. All right, I'm going to get into it. Yummo.